In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to link MailChimp with ManyChat. We'll walk through the process step by step so you can smoothly connect your email marketing with your chatbot automation. By the end, your ManyChat account will be able to send data directly to MailChimp, which is great for growing and organizing your email list automatically. Let's start inside your ManyChat account. First, log in as you normally would. Once you're in your dashboard, look over to the left-hand side of the screen. You should see a vertical menu there. In that sidebar, look for the option labeled Settings. It usually has a small gear icon next to it. Go ahead and click on Settings to open the main configuration area for your account. When the settings page loads, focus again on the menu on the left side. Within this area, you'll see a section called Extensions. Under Extensions, one of the items you'll find is Integrations. This is where ManyChat lets you connect to other tools and platforms. Click on Integrations to open the list of available connections. Inside the Integrations section, scroll down through the options until you find the one that says Connect MailChimp Account. ManyChat typically lists several services here, so keep scrolling until you clearly see the MailChimp option. Once you've found it, click the Connect MailChimp Account button. This tells ManyChat you want to link your chatbot with your MailChimp workspace. As soon as you click that button, a new web page or browser tab will open. This is the official MailChimp login and authorization screen. Here, you'll need to sign in to your MailChimp account. You can do this by entering your MailChimp username or email, followed by your password. Alternatively, if you usually use the Continue with Google option, you can click that and then choose the Google account you use for MailChimp. If MailChimp asks for your password again, simply enter it to confirm. After you've successfully logged in, wait a moment for the page to reload. MailChimp will now show you a permission screen asking if you want to authorize ManyChat to access your MailChimp account. This is necessary for the integration to work, and it will usually summarize what kind of access ManyChat will have. Once you've reviewed that, scroll if needed and click the Allow button, typically found near the bottom left of the page. That's it. ManyChat and MailChimp are now linked, and you're ready to start using this integration in your automations and campaigns.